Hello there, welcome to DaveTech YouTube channel, and in this video I will show you how to download and install the UFC app on your Hisense smart TV. If you find this video helpful, make sure to like, subscribe and share for more important videos like this. So if you want to install the UFC app, you have to make sure that the application is not yet automatically installed. If it's not, then go over to your app store. Now, before you launch your app store, please make sure that your Vida operating system is updated. If it's not updated, you are not going to get the best experience, and sometimes you might not even find some applications on it. So if it's updated, then go over to it. In the search box here, just go ahead and type in the name application we're looking for, which in this case is the UFC. So I'll go over here, I'll type UFC. That's the name of the application, and I'll go ahead and search. Once I search it over here, click on it once, and it's going to launch the app information or the button for us to install the application to our smart TV. So once it launches, here's how it looks like. Just click install, and the application is going to install right now. So once it's installed, you can choose where to position it on your Hisense smart TV, and there you are good to go. That's it about this video. If you like it, subscribe for more important videos like this.